cathode is more black than your anode. I hope you can see the difference here. But the way I look at it, even I interchange it, the cathode here is much more blacker, dark, more black than this one. Look, that's much more closer. See, that is your anode. Look at your cathode. So your cathode, your anode. You see the difference? Okay, I'm not going to change it a little bit so you can see. Okay, let's make it closer like this. So I'm going to change without moving a little so you can see that.